German scientists are working to bring back the dead, something you thought you wouldn't hear in 2023, maybe 2083. But already 10 volunteers, dead people, are being preserved in a lab awaiting their turn to be brought back to life. And hundreds of others, still living, are already signed up to be the lab rats of the experiment.
What if I told you? Scientists are actually bringing the dead back to life. No, not in a zombie apocalypse kind of way, more like recreating your consciousness using brain scans, memories, AI, and even your voice. And the craziest part? It's already happening. This is the tech that's letting people live on after death. And it's blurring the line between life and simulation in ways we're definitely not ready for. Let's start with something called grief tech. It's a booming industry where companies use AI to reconstruct your dead loved one's personality based on texts, voice memos, social media posts, and even video clips. In South Korea, one mother used a VR headset to see and talk to her daughter who had passed away. The daughter's likeness was recreated in virtual space with stunning realism. The mom cried. The internet freaked out. And the company that made it booked for years. But now, it's going beyond comfort. Some startups are offering digital immortality. You upload your data, and when you die, a chatbot version of you can talk to your family, like nothing ever happened. It's called mind uploading. And yeah, it sounds like science fiction. But real labs, like Russia's 2045 initiative, are pouring millions into preserving brains digitally. The end game? Transfer your consciousness into a robot or a simulation, so you never really die. They've already built early prototypes of robotic avatars powered by neural AI. The idea is, record your brain's structure and memories, then recreate you in software. Basically, a digital ghost with your thoughts. Creeped out yet? Here's where it gets weird. If your brain can be scanned, copied, and run like an app, is that still you? Can your soul be digitized? And who owns your digital self once you're gone? Your family? The company? Your great-great-grandkids on a future metaverse subscription? It's not just a tech problem, it's a philosophical earthquake. And no one really knows where the fault lines end. Plus, imagine someone cloning you without your consent. Or bringing you back, but tweaking your personality just enough to fix you. It's not resurrection, it's reinvention. So yeah, resurrecting the dead isn't just a spooky campfire story anymore. It's a scientific movement with real money, real people, and real consequences. Whether you think it's a miracle or a mistake, one thing's clear. The future isn't just coming, it's coming for your memories. Want to peek deeper into the tech that's rewriting reality? Smash that sub button and follow TechRupt, where the future gets weird fast.